Bangalore is set to witness a unique celestial phenomena called Zero Shadow Day on April 25th, a little afternoon at around 12:17 pm. The Indian Institute of Astrophysics (IIA) at Bangaluru's Koramangala will organize events at its campus to mark the occasion. Several Bangalore residents have started tweeting photos getting ready for the event where no shadow of the objects will be visible for a few moments. Association of Bangalore Amateur Astronomers also tweeted about the same. The tweet read, "Tomorrow, 25th April 2023, we are going to observe the Zero Shadow Day. Sun will be directly overhead in Bangalore at noon. If we have vertical reference such as a pole at 12:17 pm, sun will be overhead and as a result, there will be no shadow of the reference pole." So what exactly is the Zero Shadow Day and what is its history and significance? Usually when the sun is at its highest point, we can see our shadows. Zero Shadow Day is a unique celestial event when no shadows appear of any object or living being when the sun is at its highest point in the sky. Zero Shadow Day occurs twice a year for locations in the tropics between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. For people living between plus 23.5 and minus 23.5 degrees latitude, the sun's declination will be equal to their latitude twice, once during Uttarayan and once during Dakshinayan. On these 2 days, the sun will be exactly overhead at noon and will not cast a shadow of an object on the ground, the ASI wrote on its website. During Zero Shadow Days, when the sun is at its zenith, which is the highest point in the sky, its rays make the shadow of any object to be exactly under it, making it look like there are no shadows. The Earth's rotation axis is inclined at 23.5 degrees to the plane of its revolution around the sun, which is why we have seasons, which means that the sun at its highest point of the day will move from 23.5 degrees south of the celestial equator to 23.5 degrees north of the equator, Uttarayan, and back again, Dakshinayan, in a year. Hence, one Zero Shadow Day falls during the Uttarayan, which is when the sun moves northwards, and the other falls during Dakshinayan, that is, when the sun moves southwards. For people living between 23.5 degrees north and 23.5 degrees south latitudes, the sun's declination will be equal to the latitudes twice. Zero Shadow Day hence happens twice a year, in May and July or August, observed in places that lie between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This phenomenon lasts for a small part of a second, but the effect can be seen for a minute to a minute and a half. Every year on the Zero Shadow Days, students and astrophiles who are located between the two tropics erect vertical poles and different objects and sometimes even stand outside to see for themselves the cosmic event. The moment can be witnessed without any special equipment or instruments. The next Shadow Day in Bangalore will be observed on August 18th. Bhubaneswar in Odisha had also witnessed Zero Shadow Day in 2021.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.